Hi, I'm here with Dan McGowan from Hijinx at Chapter Arts Centre because their Unity Film Festival kicks off next week. Dan, for those who don't know much about Hijinx, could you tell us a little bit about the organisation and what you do?
Yeah, sure. We are an inclusive theatre company, first and foremost. In recent years, we've branched into film work, but we also have a community wing. We provide training to actors with learning disabilities and or autism. We also provide external training to companies around communication skills. But whatever we do, whether it's theatre or film or role plays for training centres, our actors are always at the centre of the process.
So I mentioned the Unity Film Festival, so could you tell us a bit about that and what visitors can expect to see?
For about 20 years, we've been doing our live performance festival, also called Unity, and that's brought work from all over the world, theatre, circus, street theatre, dance, to Cardiff and to Wales. And 2 years ago, for the first time, we did the film festival alongside it. Both festivals are biennial, so this is our second time of doing the film festival. But like last time, we've got a huge mix and variety of films. We've got features and shorts, we've got documentaries, animations, comedies, dramas, thrillers, chillers, sci-fi, all sorts of stuff. We've also got an industry panel chat, and lots of the sessions have Q&As with the filmmakers afterwards.
So there's lots going on.
Yes.
Are there any new elements to the festival that you're particularly excited about?
Yeah, we're really looking forward to, on the Saturday morning, having a session that's particularly targeted at younger audiences and family audiences. So, like the other sessions, a mix of films from across the world, all inclusive, all made by or with people with learning disabilities and or autism. And then we're hoping to have some little things set up, extra activities in the chapter cinema foyer, things like little stations where you can do stop motion animation so that the younger people can have a go at that as well.
And so accessibility is a key theme. How do you make sure that the festival is accessible to everybody?
Accessibility is essential to us and as an organisation and also to the festival. In terms of the venue, Chapter is fully accessible and we've got a long-standing relationship with them, so we know it would work here. Then with the various different films, each one is captioned and has an optional audio description track as well, or offering. For the live elements, the discussions and the Q&As and so on, there will be BSL interpreters and palantypists. Each session also is a relaxed session, so the lights won't go fully dark. People will be able to come and go as they please and make noise. And then we also will be providing a quiet space. So if things become a little much for people, then they've got this quieter, calmer room to spend as long as they need in.
And so in what ways do you hope the festival might have positive change on the film industry?
Well, I think there are two aspects to this. I think on the one hand, there's the audiences. So we'll be sharing with audiences a really exciting mix of films that ordinarily don't tend to get programmed. So the audiences might not have seen inclusive work like this before. So hopefully it will increase their appetite for that. On the other hand, it's the industry. And what I would hope would come from the festival is for the industry to see that working inclusively not only is completely viable, but can produce astonishing, exciting, fresh, refreshing results as well.
So we're all excited for the film festival, but beyond the film festival, what does Hijinx have planned for the next coming year?
2 weeks after the festival, our community group Odyssey put on their Christmas show, which they do every year, and like every year it's at the Wales Millennium Centre. And kind of rumbling along between those is the development of our feature film Two Worlds, which we were lucky enough to get some funding towards from Ffilm Cymru to kickstart that development.
That all sounds really interesting. Thank you so much, and it was great to chat to you today.
Great, yeah, same here. Thanks for having me.